Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something exciting out of Milo, and we will make Milo refrigerator cake. So we will have a special dessert that is no bake. So this one pack of Milo, uh, I will put it in a bowl and then add evaporated milk. 1 can evaporated milk. This is, anong gamitin? Alpine, no? I am using Alpine evaporated milk. And then, we will just soak it until they are fully blended. Okay? So, we set this aside. Paigad ka lang, anay, Milo and Alpine, ha? Okay. So, with this, I will, paigad ka lang, and then, I will blend our 2 packs refrigerated for lugay na ni sa refrigerator, maybe 2 days or basta it has to be in the refrigerator so that you will come out with something firm. Ay, firm. Firm mo, di magwa man eh. Dali lang. Firm. Okay, there. I told you, it is firm and it comes out clean of the container. Another one. Amin siya siguro. No, so more than overnight din siya ang iya sa sulod sa refrigerator. Yan. So they are firm. And then I will add 1 can of delicious milk. Ay, condensed milk. So there's no more sugar because this is a sweet milk, condensed milk. Okay. So now, to help me blend is I will use a hand mixer. Okay, dali lang ha. I'm putting another set of gloves because we will be using this and there's no baking so it has to be clean. Pero, thank you Rose for this gloves. Salamat, I made very effective use of this. So, Bong, we will need 2 packs, maybe 2 packs of this graham crackers. And then I will lay it on the base of our container. Our container is thin. Para gamay lang kauno naton. Thin and then it can fit our freezer quite effectively. Pero also this one, igo man siya dire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Igo man siya. Bukon-bukon talang diban. Ito ka namin siya kay it is not broken, no? Okay, next is we will add this one. Our Milo and Alpine mixture. Drizzle it over the graham crackers. Dasig-dasig lang obrahon. Ay, did you notice may buka? Sige lang. Silimpod mo na sa tanan sa tiyan. Ay! Ay! This is a very delicious and refreshing dessert. I did not add any sugar if you notice. Wala na sugar niya. Okay, 5 ladle full of white mixture. So, lain ta naman direction. Ala, basi kulang ni. Sige lang. Ay, nalipat ang pabutang kasoy. Karoon na lang sa baba. Chopped cashew nuts. Hindi, butangan ta lang. Mas kulang-kulang. There, ayang aside, for those allergic sa nuts. 1/4. Sino allergic sa nuts? Okay. Ang mga babies, hindi nyo papakanon kayo na allergy sila sa nuts. Or if you prefer, do not add nuts. Kaya pwede man. Next. Iko. Kaya buka. Yung nagkalad mga buka sini ay. Yung nagkaduging kaon, gusto sa nilaga ni mo. Ito namin ka perfect sa pag-utod-utod yung. Lang. Maybe we can add another layer. No? Hmm. Hmm. Ito lang gali. Yan, para do gwapo. Kala, tintin, kulang. King kan ani tintin ni Guray. Then, don't you know everyone? The one who is taking my video is Tintin and she had birthday last week. Of course, we did not make cake kay it is Friday of Lent birthday niya. Subong na kami ni iyo, oh. Sa Easter Sunday lang eh. You know. Okay. So, ay, damo man gali, no? Problem is, basiway na kita, may ato pa to ka crackers sa sulod, no? Ang tinapay bala, these crackers used to be wide. Subong, nagnipis na sila. Sila lang yan nagnipis, ako wide. So, they're so thin already. Okay, so dali lang. I will continue. Okay, so I'm done. I just garnish the top with some powdered Milo. And then, I will cover this. Okay, I will cover this. And then, put this in the freezer until it is firm. No, so I'll come back to you later. So this came out of the freezer. And then, I'll just cut it. And then, makuha kita to check on namit man. Okay. Yan. Wait lang. Be, let us try. Oo. Okay. I will remove this one. Okay. This a bit here. Mm. Okay. So, kaunta everyone. So, this is our Milo refrigerator cake. Thank you for watching. Kaunta everyone.